So real quick, I'm going to show you how I made this image from a basic starter anime image. So if you add the 9x16 multi-panel manga to the end of your prompt, it'll make it do things like this. So one of the things that's also interesting that I had to do here, so I went through and I graded my initial prompt against the output here. I just checked to see if everything was visually lined up. Then what you do is up in the top right hand corner, you can select, and then you can actually draw over what you want to change. And what I did was I went through and I said, hey, this gun right here is too big. And then what that did, I'll show you here in just a second. So that went through, it's generating it right now. This does take a little bit of time, so be aware that sometimes it's prone to looks like this actually stalled out halfway through generating, which is one of the things that's happening. But so I started out with kind of this, right? So this is not super great, but one of the things that I knew is that sometimes different frames of images will manifest in different ways if you change them from like 16:9 to 9:16. So you'll see right here, the car and the driver are much more proportional in that vertical. And then all we had to do is ask for the gun to be modified, which I'm probably gonna have to do again. Make gun smaller. So a lot of times you don't really have to be too detailed when you're doing like a little edit like that, but that is a really handy feature that you may not have known about. So try changing the frame of your actual images when you're generating those, and then try using the edit feature sometimes when your outputs don't come out exactly as you want, but you just want to change like 5% of the overall image. So I hope that prompt tip for the multi-panel manga, if you want to do any multi-panel stuff, GPT 4.0 can, and 4.5 can do like pretty complex comics now, or any sort of like storyboard type thing. So I hope that'll be useful to you.